A mysterious cosmic blast flattened Siberian forests in 1908. As the sun rose over the remote Siberian landscape, on June 30th, 1908, an awe-inspiring spectacle unfolded in the sky. Evenki natives and Russian settlers watched in wonder and fear as a bluish light, vivid and radiant, traversed the heavens with a brilliance nearly rivaling the sun itself. This celestial visitor, moving swiftly from the east-southeast, left a luminous trail in its wake, a sign of the extraordinary forces at play. As the object descended closer to the horizon, a sudden flash erupted, transforming the morning sky into a tableau of fiery cloud and light. A pillar of fire ascended, casting an eerie red glow across the forest below, before splitting and fading into darkness. Minutes later, a sound akin to distant artillery echoed through the air, reverberating from east to north. The ground trembled. A shockwave swept through the landscape, toppling trees and shattering windows hundreds of kilometers away. Reports from as far as Germany and the United Kingdom noted tremors, while atmospheric disturbances were felt as far as Washington, D.C. and Indonesia. In the days that followed, night skies across Asia and Europe shimmered with an ethereal glow. Yet amidst this cosmic spectacle, a mystery lingered, a puzzle waiting to be pieced together, as investigators sought answers in the charred remains of the Siberian taiga. What truly spawned this fiery dawn, and how did it change the world's understanding of celestial phenomena? The explosion that roared through the Siberian taiga left a staggering transformation in its wake. In an instant, the lush forest was flattened over an area stretching more than 2,150 square kilometers. Yet, as vast as this swath of destruction was, it bore no physical scar upon the Earth, a conundrum for scientists who would study this cosmic anomaly for decades to come. Unlike typical impact events, which leave craters as evidence of celestial collisions, the Tunguska explosion shattered the quiet without a trace of impact upon the surface. The absence of a crater suggests that the asteroid, a colossal mass between 50 to 60 meters wide, met its fiery end in the upper reaches of the atmosphere. Here, it detonated with a force estimated between 3 and 50 megatons of TNT, equivalent to the most powerful thermonuclear weapons ever tested. The blast wave resonated across the globe, detected as far as Washington, D.C. and beyond, echoing an unseen force powerful enough to demolish a modern metropolis. Yet, in this remote wilderness, the only witnesses were those who lived on the fringes of civilization. Their accounts, filled with vivid descriptions of a sky split asunder and a fiery horizon, paint a picture of an event both terrifying and awe-inspiring. But what exactly caused this cosmic visitor to explode in the sky above Tunguska? And what does it mean for Earth's future encounters with the cosmos? The morning sky over the sprawling Siberian taiga was serene until a bluish light, nearly as bright as the sun, pierced the air. Cascading across the vast expanse, it left a luminous trail that captivated the eyes of Evenki natives and Russian settlers alike. As it descended closer to the horizon, an astonishing flash erupted, unfurling a billowing cloud and a pillar of fire that painted the landscape in a haunting red glow. Moments later, the heavens split with a sound akin to artillery fire, a reverberation that echoed across the silent wilderness. This was not the end, as a shockwave blasted through the region, uprooting trees and shattering windows hundreds of kilometers away. The explosion, estimated between 3 and 50 megatons, was the result of a meteor airburst, a stony asteroid about 50 to 60 meters wide, hurtling at a velocity of 27 kilometers per second. It detonated at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers, sparing the Earth an impact crater, but leaving behind a landscape forever changed. Seismic stations worldwide captured its distant tremors, and for days, the skies were aglow with an eerie luminescence. This ethereal phenomenon raised questions that linger, as we ponder what hidden cosmic forces may next target our fragile world. The seismic stations across Eurasia began to quiver with a force reminiscent of a 5.0 earthquake. As far away as Germany and the United States, the tremors echoed through the airwaves, a testament to the raw power unleashed over the East Siberian taiga. The explosion carried the unmistakable fingerprint of something massive, an object that never touched the ground yet shook the Earth to its core. In the days that followed, the skies shimmered in an ethereal glow, an after effect that puzzled scientists. A Observers in Sweden and Scotland snapped photographs at midnight, capturing landscapes bathed in mysterious light. The phenomenon, perhaps caused by ice particles suspended high in the atmosphere, hinted at a world momentarily transformed. Yet, the stillness of the taiga belied the chaos that had erupted. Eyewitnesses spoke of the sky splitting in two, of heat and a sound like artillery fire. The ground heaved, trees toppled, and a pillar of fire rose as if the heavens themselves had opened. Such was the force that no crater remained, only a legacy of awe and unanswered questions. But what truly lay at the heart of this cosmic mystery? As science endeavors to peel back the layers of the Tunguska Event, we are left to wonder, what other secrets does the cosmos guard in silence, waiting to be unveiled? The nights following the Tunguska explosion were unlike any other. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the skies of Europe and Asia remained eerily aglow, casting an otherworldly luminescence over the lands. In places like Sweden and Scotland, midnight seemed to defy its nature as photographers captured scenes without the aid of flashbulbs. It was as if the heavens had been painted anew by cosmic brushes. Scientists suggest that this captivating glow was not magic, but the delicate dance of light with high-altitude ice particles. The explosion, a colossal force unmatched in recorded history, had stirred the atmosphere into a surreal spectacle. Particles, suspended miles above, scattered light across the globe, similarly replicated much later by the trails of space shuttles. Across the Atlantic, observers at the Mount Wilson Observatory noted a mysterious decrease in atmospheric transparency, hinting at the dust that now veiled our planet. The scale of this event left its mark, visible under the cosmic veil that envelops Earth. Yet, as we gaze at these residual shadows of the Tunguska mystery, questions linger. Could these celestial echoes be warnings of what might yet come, or whispers of mysteries still hidden within the vast, silent cosmos? As dawn breaks, we venture deeper into the enigma. In the morning, an extraordinary event unfolded in the heart of Siberia. Witnesses recounted the chilling spectacle of the sky tearing apart, an ethereal canvas painted with fire. As S. Semenov recalled, a searing heat surged from the north, forcing him to seek cover as if caught in an inferno. The air itself seemed to shatter, unleashing a cacophony akin to artillery fire, while a hot wind swept across the land, reshaping the terrain and leaving a mark on both the earth and those who experienced it. Chuchan of the Shanyagir tribe described an even more surreal encounter. As he and his brother were jolted awake, a phantom sun appeared in the sky, its brightness searing their eyes. Trees, once steadfast, tumbled like matchsticks, their branches ablaze. To them, it was as if the heavens had unleashed a barrage of thunderclaps, each more potent than the last, culminating in a whirlwind that uprooted their world. These first-hand accounts paint a portrait of nature's fury, a cosmic anomaly that stunned the senses and defied explanation. Yet, as we peel back the layers of this mystery, we must ask, could this once-in-a-lifetime event be more than a mere accident of the cosmos, perhaps a harbinger of what lies beyond our understanding? And so, the Tunguska Event, with its colossal explosion, remains an enigma that has captivated scientists and laypeople alike for over a century. Despite extensive research, its true nature continues to elude definitive explanation. Theories abound, suggesting everything from a meteor airburst to more exotic possibilities. Yet none can fully account for every observed phenomenon. Witnesses describe the sky ablaze, a pillar of fire that split the heavens, and a shockwave that traversed continents, knocking people off their feet and shattering windows miles away. The explosion, attributed to a stony asteroid, unleashed energy equivalent to between 3 to 50 megatons of TNT, devastating over 2,150 square kilometers of Siberian forest. Its power was such that it registered on seismic stations across the globe, from Germany to Washington, D.C., and produced glowing skies over Europe and Asia for days. This light display, a result of high-altitude ice particles, has been reproduced only on a smaller scale by human endeavors like space shuttles. Even today, as we piece together the accounts of those who lived through it, the mystery endures. Could the Tunguska Event be a glimpse of the cosmos's unpredictable force, a reminder of the vast mysteries that lie beyond our everyday comprehension?